let's enter the silence together and take a closer walk with this great teacher and way shower. So just allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Become still and take slow, steady breaths at your own pace. Let your body soften and your mind settle. And just let the concerns of this morning take a rest for a little while. Right now, you and I are here together. There's nowhere you need to go. Nothing you need to accomplish. There's just this moment, this breath. As we rest together in the quiet, I invite your minds into the words of that old hymn, Just a Closer Walk with Thee. Perhaps those words have touched generations because they express something so deeply human. Those words are saying there's a longing to walk through life with wisdom, a longing to walk through life with love, a longing to know that we are not alone. Imagine yourself walking along a quiet path. There's no destination, no hurry, no agenda. Even that in itself is so refreshing. There's only the path unfolding beneath your feet. And beside you walks a presence. Not a man, not a human, but a presence. And perhaps you call this presence Jesus. This presence is not distant. It's not elevated on a pedestal. It's not perfect. It's not demanding anything from you, but it's with you. It is so much with you, you can't really tell where you stop and this presence begins. And you feel the intention of this presence, this companion on your journey, as a friend, as a teacher, as a way shower. And this presence does not have judgment toward you. There's no need for you to feel like you have to impress the presence. There's no need to explain yourself or to hide your questions. You don't have to hide your doubts or your fears, because this presence already knows and walks with you each step along the way. As you walk together, notice what arises within you. Perhaps there's something weighing on your heart this morning, a burden, a worry, a decision, a grief. And when we began this service, it felt really heavy, like you couldn't hardly carry it by yourself. And now you realize that your companion is helping you carry whatever might be weighing on your heart. This companion is not giving you advice, not telling you what to do. It is simply loving you, allowing you to be fully present and fully seen. And notice how the path continues, just one step at a time. You take a step, and then another. There's no need to see the entire journey, only the next step. Because this presence is intuiting to you to trust, to love, to have faith. And within you, you know the presence of God is within you, always with you, more than you have ever known before. And so you take a gentle breath and allow these words to settle into the deep depths of your being. The presence of God is within me. The love of God is within me. The wisdom of God is within me. And now you have a significant realization that this walk right now and the journey of your whole life was never about following someone outside of yourself. Perhaps it's truly about a deep awakening to the Christ presence within you. That presence that Jesus knew. That presence that's with you now. So rest in this awareness. Simply rest and breathe. Know and affirm, I walk in love. I walk in wisdom. I walk in the presence of God. This is my truth. I so declare it. And so it is. Amen.